In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flight on Qatar Airways online. Start by opening your web browser and going to qatarairways.com. Make sure you're on the official site, then choose your preferred country, language, and currency if prompted. This helps display accurate prices and relevant travel options. On the homepage, click Book a Flight. This opens the main search panel you'll use to plan your trip. In the From and To fields, type your departure city or airport and your destination. The site will suggest airports as you type. Pick the correct one for your plans. You can also choose whether it's a one-way or a return trip here. Double-check spellings to avoid pulling the wrong results. Next, select your date of departure and, if you're returning, your return date. The calendar may highlight lower price days, so feel free to explore nearby dates if your schedule is flexible. Confirm that your chosen dates align with any visa or entry requirements for your destination. Add your passengers. Indicate the number of adults, children, and infants. Pay attention to age guidelines shown on the site since they can affect pricing and seating. This is also a good moment to verify that everyone's travel documents will be valid for your trip. Click Search Flights to see available options. Results may include filters for departure time, number of stops, and duration. Take a moment to scan these, especially if you prefer shorter connections or specific times of day. Now choose your cabin. Economy or business. Economy is typically the most affordable, while business offers more space, lounge access on many routes, and enhanced service. Pick what fits your comfort needs and budget. Select your fare. Within each cabin, you'll see different fare types that can vary in baggage allowance, change or cancellation flexibility, and seat selection options. Review the inclusions carefully so you don't pay for features you don't need or miss ones you do. Continue to contact details. Enter each passenger's name exactly as it appears on their travel document, along with date of birth and other required information. Add a valid email address and mobile number to receive your booking confirmation and any flight updates. If you need special assistance or a specific meal type, look for those options here. Finally, review and pay. Confirm your itinerary, names, dates, baggage, and total price. Then choose your payment method and complete the transaction. After payment, you'll see a confirmation page and receive an email with your booking reference and e-ticket. Keep that handy for check-in and future changes. Safe travels.